How to get Aviator Predictor application activation code. Now, if we will pull up any web browser that we can use, for example, Google Chrome, and head directly to the GitHub to dig deep into the Aviator Predictor information, there is actually no specific option for us to go ahead and manually input a physical code of using Aviator app. So the rules are if you are an existing or a new user for this specific application right here, once you have registered to the application, you will automatically be given a specific code for you to be able to activate it. You do not need any physical code to manually typing it in, and all you just have to do is after registration, you will be given a unique specific activation code so that your Aviator Predictor application will be activated. So again, you will not or you do not need to input a physical code to enter manually on Predictor Aviation application from the app itself.